Alright everybody, another episode. Basically we're going to be doing feet and everything else. Upper and lower legs. So basically I have had nothing but problems with this figure. A lot of the files are just weird, and like this leg, I literally had to print it like that to get it to print out right. I don't know what happened, why I had to do it that way. Like, and it's not even printing out correctly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take like the leg from one of my failed prints and just take the pad off of one of these good ones and stick it on there is how I'm gonna fix it. And then these were kind of interesting the first time I saw them. It basically printed out like this, I believe, or maybe it was like this. Yeah, it was like this, I think. And just weird how these just all... And like when you get the whole figure sitting out here, this is going to be tall. This is going to be at least 16 inches tall, I think, when it's all said and done. Really big piece. But that's the upper legs and lower legs. Kind of the fun I've been having trying to get this thing to work. It's not a very good file in my opinion, but I'm getting it to work. Alright, see you guys till next time.